Welcome back to the second part of how to do shell programming on Windows, and this is your Aash Gates from Victory Visuals. If you haven't watched our first part of this video, just go to the description and follow the link so you can watch the first part of the video. I have explained how to install the subsystem Linux subsystem on Windows so you can use your terminal to do the shell programming. I have covered how to install and configure Ubuntu, the Linux, in my first part of the video. Now how to do programming, and coming to the main part of the video, how to do programming on how to type your program, or how to do programming and how to execute your program on Linux. As I said, this was especially for the Diploma guys of Karnataka. And now let's get to start menu and open the Ubuntu, which you will be seeing on a start menu. Most probably you will be having on the use section as normally Ubuntu, so open it. Now what you do, you will be typing your programming in VI editor, which is an exclusive to Linux, an open source text editor. Now open source terminal based text editor. So now you have to do is type type VI, which is text editor, space your program name. So we can be naming it as sample program. Now all you have to do is hit enter. So you here, and text editor window has been opened. Now what you have to do is click on insert so you can start typing your program. I have already a pre-typed program on my my clipboard, so I'll be pasting it here. Just right click on your screen so your program will be pasted. Now what you have to do is click on escape. From your keyboard, I click escape, press shift and semicolon so the both dot appears, and click W to save your file. Your sample file has been written. Now do the same procedure, click shift and semicolon button together, so you just click Q so you can quit that exit the text editor. Just press enter now. Sorry guys. Now what you do is just type a search space your program name, sample dot search, and it will open your file. And this is how you do programming on your Linux. This is how you do programming on your shell programming on your Windows with Linux subsystem. I hope this video was informative to you. If it was informative, please like and subscribe to our channel. More videos about Diploma, like I'll be having on 6th we have network security, and I'll be coming further with more videos based on Diploma syllabus. And if you need real Linux, if you want to install real Linux without affecting your Windows, I would suggest you to go with the virtual box or installing it in virtual VMware, because as a beginner, if you try to install Linux, it might delete your whole hard disk. It might format your whole hard disk. So I would suggest you to do your shell programming in this way. And if you need to install Ubuntu in a virtual box, I'll be coming with a new video soon. I hope, as I asked before, I hope this video was informative to you. If it was informative, please like and subscribe to our channel. This is Aash Gates signing out.